So will aggressive tires on your lawnmower hurt your grass? These are the original, and these are the aggressive tractor type tires. Now with the original, it had a tendency to spin on occasion, and when it did, I didn't realize it until it was too late, and created a nice little spot of, there's my helper, a nice little spot of mud. Now with these new tires, they on a rare occasion might spin, but unlike the stock tires, these go bump bump as they start to spin, so you realize it and you stop immediately. I have a combination of centipede and just random other grass in my yard, and I've used these tires several times throughout my season, and I have yet to damage my grass with them. But with these old, I had a tendency on an occasion to make some muddy spots. Hey buddy. So, if you're interested in putting much more aggressive tires on your lawnmower versus the stock ones, I would recommend it.